Hi guys, I'm Aneesha and today I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to make a simple program with code.org. Okay, now before that, let me tell you the answer of the question of the day before starting the video. You can touch me, but I can't touch you back. You can see me, but I only reflect you and can never reject you. What am I? This is the question of the day of my previous video. The answer is a mirror. So you can touch a mirror, but it can't touch you back. You can see a mirror, but a mirror can only reflect you, and it can never reject you. Why can't it reject you? Because your image will always be formed on the mirror, so it can't reject you. Now let me go to here. Yeah. So I'm going to make a simple program with code.org. Okay. This is a programming app kind of thing and I'm going to do it. Okay, first let us there are three things here: code, design and data, but I'm not going to use the data tab because I'm just going to use the code and design tab for this. It is a very simple program, that's why only this code and design tab. Now this is screen one. Let us what I'm going to do, let me tell you. I'm going to make a zoo and there will be only two animals in the zoo, and it's like a virtual zoo, and only two animals would be there. And if you want, you can add more animals the way I'm going to do, but for this video I'm just going to add two animals. Okay, so welcome screen, let me put it, and I'm going to choose an image. Like, you have to click here, choose. Now wait, it will come. Okay, you need to click here, upload file. See, I've already taken three images because I'm three images that to GIFs. Okay, I'm this zoo will be the welcome screen, means the animals would welcome us. So let's click on choose. See, the this screen is welcoming screen. Okay. Now let us first make all the screen, because let us first do all the things we are going to do with our screens with the design tab. So like new screen, click on new screen and click here animal 2, or you just click tiger, because I've taken the GIF of a tiger, and choose upload a file. See, tiger. So just click here to upload it. So just choose here and see, here's the tiger. Okay, I'm doing it fast. Another screen, new screen, choose. Now here it will be the image of a giraffe. I mean a GIF. Giraffe. Sorry. It's uploading. Um, it's taking a bit longer time. Okay, upload it. See, a giraffe is there. Now let me put the ID as giraffe. Now it's time for the code. You go to welcome screen. Okay, not the code, you have to design it again. Now let us give it, like, you have to get the instructions. So how can you enter the zoo? Like, here I've given only two animals. You can give 10 animals, 20 animals, whatever you want, because a zoo should be, there should be many animals in a zoo, but just for tutor I'm giving is okay. So button, so let me tell you that if you click on this button, okay, when I will give the code you can understand it. Okay, so first let me increase the size of the button a little bit. 1 minute. Okay. So we can just click here, and so that there shouldn't be any background color, if there is any background color. See, here it should be transparent. It should be transparent. Okay. Like this, so it is transparent, and the border color, there should be, okay, you just put it 0 border width. And what you need to do is the ID you keep it button 1, and a text which should be there. Click here. How can the player understand that what you need to do? So you just have to give an instruction that where you should click. Okay, Arial black. Font size is okay, but the font color is not okay. Okay, text color. I mean the text color. Uh, okay, red is not looking good. Okay, yellow, brownish. Okay, this will do. Click here, so it can click here. Click here to enter the zoo. Let us give it. Then to enter the zoo. Hmm. Now, if you, to enter the zoo, the code will be given. Now, to enter the zoo, there is a giraffe. Okay. No, first the tiger screen is going to come. Okay. Button. So it is to go to the next screen. So just give it a simple one. Okay. This will do nothing else to do. And the giraffe has no neck, so giraffe will go like back. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, not this one. Oof, this one is button 3. Button 3. This is going to be back to the home screen, is the welcome screen. And let us give a back to this tiger screen too. A back to this tiger screen. Okay. So that it can go to the welcome screen again. Okay. This is button 4. Back. Right. Now let's go to the code welcome screen. Now what you need to do in the code is first you put this block on event. So on event means when you click on something. On event click function means when you click on something. Now on event. So on event when you click this button, this is button 1. So when you click on this button 1, it is going to set the screen. So let us check set screen. I don't get it. Okay, set screen. It will set the screen to the tiger screen. Okay, now let's get back to the tiger screen and let's check on again one another on event for the tiger screen. On event, if let us check, this is the button 2, button 3 or button 4. This is button 4. Okay, button 2 is clicked. So on click button 2, on event button 2, you just need to go to the giraffe screen, means to next. Again one on event. So now if you click button 4 means to return back, you just have to go to the welcome screen again. I will explain it to you once more. First let me write the code. Again another, now let's go to the giraffe screen because it's like if you have clicked next, this next, it will go to the giraffe screen. Again if you click on the back button on the giraffe screen's button 3, then it will return to the one minute. If you click on back button, it can to a tiger screen. Okay, let us make one more thing. Click. Let us make another button here and click right here revisit. If you revisit the zoo, you can click here. So if you click on the another thing, if you click on the button 5, then it will go to the welcome screen again. So only 3 screens are there, very simple one. Now let's just try this. Make it a little bigger. You can see. Okay, 1 minute. You can see now, I think. Let's run the program and I'll explain it to you, but first let's check whether it's working or not. So run. Now you have the animals are welcoming us to the zoo. Click here to enter the zoo. It's the tiger. First we are visiting the tiger. Now next we're visiting the giraffe. If you click back, again you're visiting the tiger, and if you click back, you go to the welcome screen. Okay. Now let me explain it to you. On event button 1. Okay. Oh, sorry. On event button 1. Button 1 is this. Click here to enter the zoo. If you click here, then it will go to the tiger screen to visit the first animal. Next on event is when you click on button 2 on the tiger screen. Button 2 is next button. Then it will go to the giraffe screen, to the next animal, which is the giraffe. And if you click on button 4, which is this back button, then it will go again to the welcome screen. And if you go to this button 3 back button, then it will go to the tiger screen again. And if you click on button 5, which is this back button, it will again go to the welcome screen. Okay, so I hope you have understood. And 1 minute, I will show you. Once I just run the program, it will understand better. Click here to enter the zoo. You want to visit the next animal, giraffe. Again, you want to revisit to the welcome screen. And you again animals welcoming you if another player is there. Okay, you can try this on your part too. You just need to make nothing, just make an account. I will also show you how to make an account. Let me sign out. Oh, I forgot to save the program. Okay, uh see, you need to go sign in and click on create an account if you don't have one, but I already have one, so you can just sign in or just click on create an account. I'm not creating any other account. I'll just show you. See, here you don't need to go to these three. If you want to continue with Google, it's okay, but you can also make one for code.org only. So give the your Google Gmail and the password you can give any password, not your Gmail password which is there. You can give any password for code.org separately. So you can pass confirmation and sign up. You'll be signed up to this account. Let me show you once more that how you should get into this site. Nothing like that. You just click on code.org and just it will go. Here you go to sign in and create an account. Okay, now let me sign in first because I have to save the program. So the programs would be saved there only. You just go to your Aneesha and my projects. So here are my projects. Now this is my untitled project which I did just now. I have to save it. Okay, so rename. Save, so it will automatically be saved, but you have to rename it zoo. Okay, saved. Okay, now okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like my video. And if you have any queries regarding this or any other video, you can just mail to this mail ID. Thank you for watching. Bye.